Yes guys, welcome to my channel guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are. Guys, and today I'll be doing brown stew chicken and white rice. Yes guys, so here I got the chicken. I'm gonna clean up the chicken guys. Clean it up first. Okay. Guys, clean it up. No, what? No. Only for cleaning, still enough, guys. Yeah. The knife now. The knife now. Cut it. Cut the leg too. Yeah. Oh, cut the leg too. Yeah. So yes guys, I already washed the chicken in vinegar and lime. So guys, I'm gonna season it up now with some all-purpose season. I have some black pepper and I have paprika. So I have this is seasoned to the bone, and this is jerk season. Oh, this is seasoned to the bone, and this one is jerk season, guys. Guys, I'm not gonna put no salt on it as yet because these seasons are salt. Right, guys? When I'm cooking it down, I will taste it and see if it wants salt, guys. But guys, I'm gonna fry it first because it's brown stew chicken. Right, guys? I just set on the pot there with oil. Yes. So I'm waiting on the oil to hot, guys. So guys, I'm gonna get in the oil is hot. I'm gonna get in the chicken, guys. Brown the chicken. Guys, I frying the chicken, guys. Yes. Okay. And guys, I'm gonna cut up the seasoning in the meantime for the chicken, guys. I have tomato, onion, scallion pepper, and thyme. Look at the scallion, guys. And garlic. Can't wait for the garlic, you know, guys.
What is her name again?
Can't wait for the garlic, guys. Onion. Guys, you know, Irish and a carrot, you cook it down, put in it, so do it all that. Thyme, let's see the tomato, the pepper, alright? So guys, now wash the rice down, guys. This rice is jasmine rice, right? Yes. For me, this is a jasmine or Albert rice. No other rice. Guys, you have to wash your rice. No matter what kind of rice, you have to wash it, guys. Look up most of the salt. Salt in the rice. Every rice. Next time I wash it, guys, I take most of the salt. That is it. Guys, that is brown it first, guys. Fry it first and then you cook it down. Alright, guys. So these, I'm gonna take out these, guys. Yes, I'm gonna take them out. Pour some of the oil. Okay. Get some of the eye throat and put in the tomato, the scallion, the thyme, and the onion and all those seasonings, guys. Yes, guys. So I'm throwing the seasoning inside the pot, guys. Yeah. So I'm gonna throw back the chicken in it and get some water. Oh, sorry. Get some water. Gonna get some browning, guys. Add some browning to it. Browning look like it done, so. Alright. I want it brown on this. Alright. So now, guys, I leave that to go on cook down now, guys. Then I add some ketchup. Right, guys? It look like you want more browning. I'll get some more in it. Guys, look at the brown stew chicken, guys. See, guys? So turned off, guys. So turned off. And the white rice. Guys, I had in the butter and the salt. The white rice has finished. Yes. So I will be sharing out a bit, guys. Yes, guys. So that's the finishing of the brown stew chicken and white rice, guys. You're gonna taste it and tell me how it is now, guys. Jasmine rice, guys. Yes.
Why?
Jasmine rice.
Couldn't be better.
No other rice. Taste the meat.
Better, guys.
Taste the brown stew chicken. Yeah.
The meat just melt off in your mouth.
Yeah. Brown stew chicken, guys. Yeah? Fry it up first and then you cook it down. Okay?
That next style.
Yes, guys. So, guys, that's the end of the video, guys. So, guys, remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Watch out the video, guys. Yes, guys. Like up the video, guys. Like it up. Yes, guys. That's the main thing, guys. Like up the video, guys. Yes, and subscribe. If you're not already subscribe, go on, go taste it. Go on. Go on,
don't try to come.
Go on, Paris. Paris, come. Come and taste a little. Taste a little.
Ah.
Yes.
That's right. Look at the camera now.
That's Paris. My granddaughter.
Alright, this is her one up babe and everything.
Yeah.
Go and show her that. She ready for the kitchen. Alright.
So guys, that's the end of the video, guys. Say bye, Paris. Say bye, guys. Alright. God bless you guys. Bye.